Hello lovelies, today I'm going to share with you some oats meal and banana cookies with you. Are going to love every bit of it. But before we go on, please like, subscribe, share this video for me. So these are the bananas that I'm going to use, and I'm going to peel them. I have about 7 smaller sizes of bananas. I'll later add 5 to 8. So I'm going to mash these bananas very smooth. Okay, and so the next I'm going to do is to add 1 cup of oat flour. Just buy your oats or your regular oats and then grind it into flour. Yes, so I mixed everything together. I'm going to add 80 ml of coconut oil. You can add olive oil or cooking oil to it. And then the next thing that I'm going to do is also to add 1 cup of, I'm adding a pinch of salt. Then I will add 1 cup of rolled oats. Yes, rolled oats also to it. And I'm going to mix everything. I added a tablespoon of baking powder, a tablespoon of cinnamon powder, which is optional, the cinnamon powder. But it gives it a nice flavor. I added some chopped almond nuts, and I'm adding a mix of seeds and nuts. I also added raisins. So add the seeds and nuts that you want. I also added extra half of the oat flour and half of the rolled oats. So in total, I used 1.5 cup of the rolled oats and 1.5 cup of the oat flour. I'm going to leave all the quantities of the ingredients in the comment section and the description box. And I added extra mashed extra and 5 of the bananas, and added extra 80 ml of the coconut oil. So I'm going to mix everything together. So I just decided to increase the quantity, and so at this point I'm going to bake it. So I have my baking pan lined with parchment paper. I'm going to use my ice cream scoop to scoop it and then place it on the parchment paper. Yes, just like that. Now what I'm going to do is I divided the mixture into 2. So I used the back of the measuring cup to flatten it a bit. I divided the mixture into 2. The half, I'm going to add wheat flour to it. 1 cup of wheat flour. Sorry, half cup of wheat flour, not 1 cup. Half cup of wheat flour to it, and also extra 80 ml of the coconut oil. And then I'm going to mix everything. So I'm going to also scoop those ones and then place them on the parchment paper. Then after, I'll use the back of the measuring cup to flatten it. So this is it. Now at this point, I'm going to sprinkle some of the seeds on it. Yes, I'm sprinkling them on it, and then we are going to bake this. Now I'm going to bake this in a gas oven for about 10 to 20 minutes. Yes, so if you are using your electric oven, make sure that you reduce it to 180 degrees Celsius. So I'm going to bake this, and this is it. So 20 to 25 minutes should be okay, or till you get the outcome that you want. And this is it. Okay, so this is it, and I'm going to package them into an airtight container. Yes, so the ones that I did not add wheat flour to it, they are not crunchy. They are soft, but not too soft. They are okay. But the ones that I added wheat flour to it, they are very crunchy, and you will love both of them. So give them a try. So guys, this is it. Thanks so much for watching. If you are watching, you have not yet subscribed, please do subscribe, like and share this video. Bye bye.